A design may work well with its nominal component values, but when you run a yield analysis with multiple dimensions of manufacturing tolerances, such as the substrate height or layout geometry, you may notice a significant variation in your results. This can lead to failures and low yield. To identify the source of this problem and guide your specifications, a design of experiment was implemented. This can help ensure design fidelity while avoiding overly costly manufacturing tolerance limits. The steps to prepare for using parametric EM data in circuit are as follows. First, download the add-on from the link below the video. This will simplify your design flow, but you can also create parametric subcircuits using the traditional way. Second, add the EMPro library by going to Design Keys, Manage Libraries, and then go to the installation path. Find this location. This will include the EMPro basic library. You will have to do this before you run RFPro so that EM data can be saved to do the EM circuit core simulation. Go to the main menu and choose Options, Preferences, Interoperability. Select the option that you want to use for RFPro. The last two options could enable you to achieve the interoperability feature of RFPro. Once you have completed these steps, you can use the parametric EM data in circuit. After running RFPro and generating the circuit, you can use the add-on to update the component values and check that all variables are included in the cell. You will find that the cell contains EM data, a schematic, and a symbol. Next, create a new schematic cell 3. Drag the schematic from cell 2 into cell 3 and change it to a schematic view. You will see the subcircuit has been included in the cell. Use the SMP tools to add the terminal and as parameter simulation controller. Before you move forward, there's another setup you need to do. Choose Simulate and Simulation Settings. In the pop-up window, choose Hierarchy Policy. There are two options available. Here I choose EMIC Interoperable. Now go back to setting up the variables to be swapped in this circuit. After applying names and the nominal values to each of them, you can sweep them. Go to Simulation Variables and choose Tab Statistical. Enable the variables you would like to participate in the analysis and check the box. Under the Type menu, choose Uniform. Please note that Gaussian is not available now because RFPro only enables interpolation but no extrapolation. For the format, choose minimum and max to ensure that the sweep range is within the EM range. Meanwhile, in the EM data setup, you must choose Interpolation tab. Enable use interpolation and the interpolation delta must be larger than half of the database. If you are using a statistical analysis, the interpolation delta must be equal to the EM sweep step. Go back to the circuit. Choose Optimal Simulation from the palette. Choose Monte Carlo. Type in the simulation instance name, and in addition, write your preferred equation. Click Run. You will be able to see the results.